The beauty of original tongue and groove wood planks on the walls in the older houses is undeniable. The grains, the pattern, the stiffness, weight, durability. I was trying to find similar quality making special orders from lumber yards, but still nothing close to old school planks. Here, as close as I could get via special order from lumber yard, and it's still not even close to old school original ones. You can also see the difference between original old school and what they sell in nowadays. So what if you do remodeling and want to save or relocate the planks? How to remove them not damaging? You need pry bar, heavy-duty bend scraper and hammer. Most definitely your old wood planks are tongue and groove, which means they join each other by interlocking ridges and slots down their sides. It's also called shiplap. When you're removing the planks, your main goal is not to damage the tongue of the board, so it can be inserted in corresponding groove of the other one. If there is any trim, remove it out of the way with the same tools mentioned above. You might need to sacrifice one board so you can have open spot for your tools where to work from. In our case it was obviously small boards over the door. In older houses the planks are secured to the wall studs by heavy-duty thick nails. Your job is to ease them shaking off using tools, so you can extract the board with the tongue inserted in the groove of next one.
Looks good. Yeah.
Use any gaps to stick bed scraper or pry bar there and leverage with using hammer, pushing board outwards, shaking it off. Go deeper and deeper. Use both sides of pry bar where it makes sense. You can use both scraper and pry bar simultaneously to apply force on wider area. When you feel only the other side is still holding, you can start gently knocking tool inside to push the board away. You can see how the tongue was saved and now this board can be reused. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel not to miss on future home improvement and construction projects.